Welcome to another episode of GNCRC. Today, guys, we are going to be talking about the Dementor. I'll give you guys a quick update on where we are with it. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and went with the Micro Komodo. Shout out to Blacksmith RC. And I want to say Vince also with VMB Speed told me that's what they would go with. I was leaning towards putting that in there anyway, but we did go ahead and put that in there. Now, as of right now, you guys see the wheels that I have on here from DJ Crawler, and I got Patagonias, but I'm probably not gonna go with this wheel combo. I don't think I'm gonna do this wheel. I got another wheel in mind that I really like. To be honest, I really wanted to do the Maz wheel, so I might get another set of these. I'm running extensions, so the only issue that I'm having is that hole is a little bit small, so I had to drill that out. But I'm thinking about going with the mini pins by Injora. That's a mofo wheel, but I'm thinking about going with the mini pins. So as of right now, the dilemma I'm having is getting all the electronics inside of this thing. So I went ahead and removed these two front screws. We're gonna use this somewhat like what I did with the Warthog, and we're gonna be able to flip that thing up. But I also got the electronic plate, and I'm deciding how I want to install this. I'm not really sure exactly how it goes back roads. RC did tell me how he had his in there the way it's supposed to go, but I'm looking at doing something like this, and I'll use the holes that are here to get that plate inside of there, and we're gonna kind of make it flush with the top. That's where I'm gonna end up running my battery. So we're gonna line those screws up right there, and we're gonna run the battery right here. But what I'm gonna do with the electronics, this is my goal, is to get them in the roof. So hopefully I can get one here, which is gonna be ESC. This is the original Lizard. And then we're gonna do one of the micro receivers for my Noble MB4. So I should easily be able to get this in the top along with this in the top. Well, I know I can. I may even heat shrink it down to one thing. So we're gonna get that there. We'll be able to flip it closed, and we'll be able to put the battery right here. So as of right now, that's where we are. We're shaping up to be really nice looking. Just want to give you guys a quick update on this. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.